Hello, welcome to another episode of Daily Lit Question. So today we are going to solve this question known as minimize maximum pair sum in array. So let's understand the question first. The question says that the pair sum of pair AB is equals to A plus B. So a pair sum is known as the sum of a pair, right? And the maximum pair sum is the largest pair sum of the list in the pairs. That is fine. I guess that is understandable as of now. So let me explain the question to you very easily. So we are given a array, let's the nums, right? And we have to create a pair such that the pair sum should be the maximum of minimum, like the minimum of the maximums. So let's understand the same thing over here. So let me zoom in for you. Yeah, Excel. Yeah. So suppose I'm given with an array which is, let's say, 3, 9, 5, 6, 2, 5. Yeah, and one more thing. We are only given with an array which is of even length. And here, as you can see, this is also of an even length array, right? So this is there. Now, what we have to do is like we have to construct a pair. So let's say I construct this pair and then this pair and then this pair. So what will be the sum now? So 9 plus 3, 12, right? And 5, 6, 11, right? And 5 to 7. So among them, which is the maximum? 12 is the maximum, right? So yeah, we have to return 12. But the question asks that we have to minimize this maximum. The maximum which we are getting, we have to minimize this maximum. So how can we do that? So suppose if I pair something like this, let me choose a different color. Yeah. So suppose I pair 9 with 2, and then I pair 5 with 5, and then I pair 6 with 3. Okay. So in this case, what would be our output? So 6, 3, it will be 9, right? And then 9 and 2, 9 and 2 will be 11. And 5 and 5 will be 10. So in this case, if you can see, our maximum is 11, and yeah, this is our correct answer. So we have to return this. So how can we do that? So the easiest trick could be, we just have to sort these numbers. So after sorting this number, what we will get is like 2, and then we'll get 3, and then 5, 5, 6, 9, right? Yeah, after sorting this number, we have to make a pair such that the it will start like we'll pair the numbers from start and end. Start and end will be one pair, so something like this. So this can be one pair, and then this can be another pair, and this can be another pair. So in this way, if you see the intuition, what we are doing is we are basically minimizing the sums. Minimizing the sums. Why we are minimizing? Because if you see, this is the smallest one and this is the largest one. So we are pairing the smallest and largest. Second, we are pairing the second smallest and second largest, right? So in this way, we'll get the sum which is equal to, again, whatever we have seen, 11, 10, and 9, and we'll return 11. So if you see one example over here, let's consider 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 6. Okay. So let's consider 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 6. 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 6. So after sorting, we'll get something like 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. And when we pair it up, so the pairs will look something like 2 and 6 will be one pair, 3 and 5 will be another pair, and 4 and 4 will be another pair. And if you see the sum, it will be 2 and 6 is 8, and then your 3 and 5 is also 8, right? And then 4 and 4 is also 8. So all are 8 only. So we will return 8, and that will be our answer. So I hope you have understood the logic behind this. Let's see the code. So this is the code. Let me zoom in for you. Yeah. So what we are doing is like we have calculated the size of the array which is given, and for sure that will be even length. We'll sort that array and we'll initialize our answer to 0. Why 0? Because all the numbers in the array are positive. That is given in the question. And then what we'll do is like we'll loop through the half array itself. Like we'll loop through 1, 2, 3 elements only, And what we'll do is like we'll calculate the sum of number I, which is like 0, and the last one, n minus 1 minus I, right? Then if we increase our I will be 1, and this will be n is 6, right? 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 minus I is 4. So at the fourth position, 1 and 4 will be making a pair. And if the sum is maximum, we'll assign it to answer and I will return the answer. So I hope you have understood this code. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.